is Justine from the Arts College, and we're just looking at what students have been doing. The students have been working so hard this month, so I'm just really proud of them. Let's dive in and actually take a look at what they've been doing. So what they've been working on is particularly working on templates with faces and understanding proportions in 3D with paints. Especially with acrylic paints, is how to build the layering and build resilience. So we've been looking at like what is the template and how to use the paints, build it in at least 3 to 4 layers with acrylic paints. Then afterwards, then they have the option to then go and use magic markers and actually do the details with magic markers on top of it to just bring in those details. So wonderful results. With our drawing, we've also been exploring a bit more into our interior drawing work and looking at how do we actually use lines to incorporate the interior drawing. So children have been really working hard this term. Looking forward to next month's sections of their